Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Monday, May the 21st. Stocks were steady to end last week. A couple of quiet sessions in a row. The S&P on Friday ended up being down just a bit, finishing down 0.5% on the week. The Dow is sitting unchanged year to date and was unchanged on Friday as well, losing just a bit on a weekly basis. The largest loser on the week was the NDX, the Tech Top 100, down 1.25%, but giving back half of the gains from the week prior. Did get on Monday to within 3% of the record tip-top highs there. The news of the week was a strong dollar. The dollar power knocked that euro currency down 200 full points last week. We saw crude oil gain 50 cents, new relative highs there at $72, and gold lost $30 with that dollar strength. So where do we stand here on Monday morning after the mixed market action on the week last week? Well, we are much higher on the open, so that's why I'm coming to you now an hour after the open. I wanted to see if this gap up would hold, and it has so far. So today we've seen a 25K day in the Dow, so the first time since March that we've been up to this 25,000 level. We're up 300 points in the Dow, holding strong after opening 200 points higher, steady for the first hour. As a trader, you like to see where we stand after that first hour, if there's a gap up or gap down, and see that gap hold or not, and it's definitely holding so far. The S&P right now is up about 0.75%, up 21, and the NDX is up 62, continuing to rally there. You're seeing the euro currency making new relative lows at 117.40, but coming back now to unchanged. Gold made new 2018 lows at 1281, sitting at 1288 right now, bouncing back some. Crude oil, we're now trading the July contract, rolled over from June to July. We're at 71.75, up 40 cents, and the VIX is down below the 13 level. So we've seen volatility contract after that extreme VIX explosion that we had in February, that tip-top at $50. Now we're trading at 13, so we're back down inside that sideways range that we traded in before we saw that VIX explosion earlier in the year. So to summarize, stocks are stronger, holding this gap open higher. Right now I've got the Dow up 1%, leading the way, up 300 points, above 25,000, the S&P up 21, and the NDX up 60. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.